Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And our May challenge for 2023 are 3 different tic-tac-toe boards that you can use. I'm using the spring one. And I chose the row that says green, use something happy, sketch, or scrap lift someone. I've decided to scrap lift this layout from Scrapbook Cards Today on page 41, and it is either from the 2013 spring or summer catalog. Or magazine. I can't remember which lift. And for my final kit, I am using products from close to my heart called the Daisy collection. I'm going to show you what I have left in this collection. This is what I have left in the sticker sheet right here. I'm not showing you everything I have left. I just have a few more papers left, but I'm showing you what's in the kit and the layout that I'm documenting. I did do some pre-cutting off camera, so we'll go over that as well. So I have this cardstock from Close to My Heart, and this is the Clover. And then that is the 12 by 12 size. Then I have this pattern paper from the Daisy collection, and it is cut 10 by 10. On this side is the larger pattern flower paper, and this is the smaller. I love both sides, but I am challenging myself to use this side. Then my next pattern paper from that collection, I cut this striped one 9.5 or 9 by 9, and one side is striped, and then the other we have this geometric flower pattern paper here. I chose it for this side. The memory I am documenting, this photograph is 2 years old, I think so. And this would be my great niece and nephew. This is my brother-in-law and my sister-in-law. I have already double matted this photograph on the ballerina cardstock paper from Close to My Heart, and I just have 1/8 of an inch showing, and then I backed it on black cardstock from Close to My Heart. For embellishments, we have some of the die cut pieces that came with this kit, and I actually bought the Daisy bundle kit, and it came with die cut pieces that were in a 6 by 12 sheet, and it had happy birthday in this little tiny banner here, and then it had a large happy birthday, and I already used that on a layout. And then I have this miscellaneous tag. I have these die cut pieces from Close to My Heart, which was a special in the month of April when they were having their cardstock sale, and they had all these embellishments in some of the colors, and one side has that UV coating and the other side does not. And I separated all those out, and those are not available. They were a special, so you can see we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These die cut pieces are from various collections. Anyway, so I have this nice big balloon because that photograph is of my great niece and nephew's birthday. I have some scrap cardstock paper to make banners, because in that layout it has banners right here. Banners, and banners. And they are dovetail or fishtail, which is not my favorite, but I do need to think outside the box. And I also have that zip strip I can use as a banner. I'm going to place those on the side. I definitely want to get the balloon in. So we're going to kind of substitute this square right here, which they placed on a diamond. And I'm going to use the balloon instead. Also, we have a dolly right here. And I use Close to My Heart dolly. Thin cut. Let me get it out. It is still available. So anyway, here's this large dolly, and in the middle is a smaller dolly, and I wasn't sure which size, so I had cut one out of each, but I think I'm going with the larger one. Also part of this kit is these dots in green. They are also a staples. They'll be available to purchase in several different colors. They're in the core catalog, and I chose the green ones. They have pink, yellow, black, gray, the blue. There's several choices. So now let's get creating. So let's start with our 12 by 12, and I want it on the darker side. And then this base paper, according to the sketch that I am scrapbooking. I'm horrible with using a T-ruler. I'm better off just using my eyesight. Now, according to this layout, this paper is angled to the right. Oh, and often the photograph, in the layout, the photograph is close to the bottom of the layout. I want to have the dolly here. They got banners going all the way up here. But you know what? Banners aren't my favorite thing, so I'm going to move up here to this corner and see how I want to lay this out. So I've got that balloon, and then I have the pink one right here that I thought I would add because it's both of their birthdays. Write happy, because remember in the tic-tac-toe it had to be happy, but it could be happy, could be the smile in your photograph. It doesn't necessarily have to be a word. It could be happy, could represent the paper that you're using, which I'm using bright happy paper, that's for sure. And I like that layer. Then I have this kind of cord ribbon to make my tail of that, but I'm going to put that on last. All right, so now I'm supposed to have banners going this way, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to put banners down here, and I can use, which I just noticed in the layout, that they used sequence here. So I may look for sequence in my scrappy stack. Okay, you can see I am back, and I've added my 3 banners right here. From the sticker sheet, I selected Sweet Moments and this round one that says Love This Life, and I inked the edge with black ink from Close to My Heart. This is just empty space, so I don't mind placing a sticker on a photograph if it's empty space. Now I want to put some, feeling very happy and pleased with this, and I'm feeling happy and pleased here. Now I want to incorporate this sticker on this layout. In the layout that I'm scrap lifting, they just have a single word family that's scripted, and it nestles right over the photograph, which is perfect. I cannot do that with this. So I am thinking that, and this will take care of this space in here, and maybe having it centered, and we're overlapping the dolly. Now. Well, we have this little sticker here. The heart would be going the wrong way there. That's kind of cute. I could add it there, but the arrow's going that direction. Or I could add it in this little spot right there. Yeah, let's do that. And we can even pop duck here of that space, and then I can just have some dots going on. I like that. Oh, that's perfect. That makes my heart happy. Off camera, I added my green enamel dots right here. and right here. So we have them in 3 spots. I added this pink tag, and I am going to call this layout complete. All right, be sure to go check out Becky and Kathy's channel to see what they created, which tic-tac-toe board they selected, what products they're using, what memory they're documenting. I will have the link listed below. We would love for you to play along. If you've been playing along and you haven't snapped a photograph of your layouts, please do and upload those to our Facebook group album marked May 2023. Give a thumbs up. That helps bring traffic to my channel so that we are inspiring people that you and I don't know that is looking for inspiration to document their memories. And let's see what else. Just give me that thumbs up. Oh, and I appreciate you all for stopping by and watching my videos. And most of all, get out your scrapbooking supplies, get out your photographs, and document those memories in a fun, creative way. And keep coming back. We'll see you next time. Bye.